Hello again. Um, Today I wanted to show you my metallic pan pastels. I have two silvers, two golds, a bronze and a copper, as well as two of the coarse glitter, a white and a black. And I just wanted to show you how they look on the clay today. I also have the colored pearlescents. I'm not a big fan of these on polymer clay. They just weren't as vibrant as I'd hoped. So I'll show you those at the end of the video. I'm just going to put some texture on this black clay so that you can get an idea of how they will look. This is generally what I use them for, to sort of highlight a texture. This is the pewter color. It's a darkish silver, and the other one's much lighter. And I have really found that if I'm using them both on one piece, you really can't see much of a difference. You can see here that the light silver is a little bit more of a contrast with the black clay. And it's the same with the golds. The light and the dark golds are quite similar, and then when you use them on the clay, it really, if you use them both on the same piece, it's not really obvious which one is which. That's the bronze, and this is the copper. So I love the copper. I like the bronze. Again, it's very similar to the copper, so if I was recommending anything, I'd really recommend the light gold, the light silver, and the copper. Now this is the coarse white, and I just wanted to show you, they have sort of big bits in them, and so when you use them on the clay, they tend to kind of make a bit of a mess, and they get into the texture. Just realizing now that the black didn't really show up on the black. So I'm going to do a white piece just to show you how it shows up on the white. It really just looks like black. So I haven't found these coarse glitters to be particularly useful. Also I'll just show you a piece on a smooth piece of clay so that you can see how the glitter looks. It does have some glitter to it. I think though if I was looking for that, I probably would just use black clay to put some glitter in it. And these are the pearlescents. They're like a pastel color. I just found they were a little bit too translucent, and so using them on the clay, they kind of look a bit dull. I suppose you could use them if you wanted to create a specific effect, but I'm going to even add a second coat. They don't layer the way that the other pan pastels do, and so I really haven't made much use of these. If you have any ideas on ways that I could use these, I'd love to hear them. So that's my show and tell for my pan pastels. I hope it was helpful to you if you're thinking about buying them. Thanks for watching.